Uwajibikaji Pamoja is an initiative that was put together following recommendations of a study that Transparency International Kenya carried out in 2011 that was focusing on accountability risks on the 2011 drought that faced Kenya and the Horn of Africa.
In 2011, Transparency International Kenya, in partnership with line government ministries, UN agencies, and international and local humanitarian organizations, conducted an integrity analysis of the drought response. The findings brought about the need for a coordinated complaint and accountability mechanism.
Uwajibikaji Pamoja has improved service delivery for World Vision Kenya as an organization because initially, we have our own system for complaints and response mechanism. And one of the main challenges that we used to have is at this level where I am not able to keep track or know exactly what are the type of complaints that are raised.
Uwajibikaji Pamoja is an automated web-based integrated complaint referral mechanism.
The main objective of this mechanism is basically to improve service delivery and also to enhance accountability. And in that regard, since we started this particular program within the county, we have realized that there has been quite a lot of, we have noted a lot of improvements in terms of service delivery.
The service enables members of the public and organizations to submit and refer complaints concerning aid and service delivery.
The Uwajibikaji platform has actually enabled us to have a wider reach in implementing our mandate, in that we are able to partner with those institutions on the ground at county level in order to benefit the wider public.
The staff are now able to go outside there, use the system to collect complaints, and what it has done is that for us we were able to adapt it to the new system and collapse our forms for collecting complaints and adapt to the new ones. And that has been taken positively by the organization and the staff.
The study also highlighted that accountability not only improves programming, but is critical in capturing the concerns of beneficiaries and increasing the capacity of communities to exercise their rights.
oo kamid ay makaanike waxa kamid development youth lacagtii la bixino waa helay lacag yaal aan ka faa'iido jirta
inatakiwa twende kwanza kwa ground twende tupatie awareness wale wanakijiji wajue wale penye watachukua shida yao wakikuwa na shida ya kwamba kuna pale ambaye anaweza kuokoa watu, sio kusema ya kwamba wewe unanyanyaswa huko reserve na unaendelea kuvumilia tu, unakanyaga kichwa, wewe unavumilia tu, ujui pale unapigwa, unanyanyaswa, unanyang'anywa, unachangina, unaambia lete kitu au unachapa tu yani hauli. Sasa ni kuelimisha tu, yani awareness kwa kijiji kila mahali, ile Pokot apate kujua pale kukimbilia kwa kuokoa kusaidia.
Effective accountability mechanisms at the grassroots levels also enhances people's participation in design and implementation of humanitarian aid program, thus enhancing sustainability.
I can tell people that they are responding people. They are ready to cooperate. They are not there to scrutinize, to look for mistakes. They are there to remind people that your right is there, and you have to come out and ask for your right. So that's what I can tell people, that we have not to fear to DI. They are there to assist you to know your rights.
Oxfam works in remote locations in northern Kenya, in areas where the people that we aim to serve do not often have access to decision makers, whether decision makers in Oxfam, the program designers and implementers, or the local authorities who represent them. And we have in the past tried to implement our own accountability mechanisms with more or less success. So in our La Nina consortium work, when we were approached by Transparency International, we thought this was a fantastic opportunity to have people who understood these mechanisms a lot better than us.
The program allows for a coordinated and effective mechanism between agencies at the community level.
The most effective way for a citizen to fight corruption is to claim his or her right by demanding proper, meaning corrupt-free services. By lodging a complaint through the Uwajibikaji Pamoja initiative, TI gives the family father in Turkana a voice.
Uwajibikaji Pamoja initiative was launched across 3 counties, Wajir, Turkana and West Pokot, to allow for corruption cases to be reported and resolved.
Uwajibikaji Pamoja has improved our service delivery, basically among all the stakeholders who are members to Uwajibikaji, because fighting corruption or working straight is not a one-man show. It needs people to come together and support each other. It is not a one-day business, it is something that is ongoing. So all the partners, when all the partners are responsible, we find that our community as well becomes responsible.
We've seen some improvement in terms of service delivery. When I say improvement, I mean that in terms of managing the complaints, our beneficiaries are free to come and complain using the log form, using the SMS, even using the internet to be able to complain on the services that we've been giving.